Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Gemini CLI in Cursor, only ways. Open Cursor, open the terminal panel, and run the install command for Gemini CLI immediately. Authenticate with your API key when prompted so the CLI can access models. Start with a simple text prompt to confirm connectivity, and then explore streaming, file uploads, and tool integrations offered by the Cursor environment. Begin by installing Gemini CLI using the exact install command inside Cursor's terminal interface, and follow prompts patiently. Next, securely supply your API key when the CLI requests it, avoiding shared or public workspaces. After authentication, run a simple version or info command to confirm successful setup, and then try a minimal prompt to ensure the CLI responds correctly within Cursor before moving on to advanced features. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more content and keep tutorials coming. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes it hilarious when it interrupts your workflow and claims the best chair spot. It handles crumbs, dust, and pet hair so you can focus on coding. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Start with a basic prompt command to generate text and observe the response behavior inside Cursor. Learn file upload commands to provide context for more accurate completions and to enable retrieval or search workflows. Use streaming options for long outputs to get incremental results quickly, and explore command flags for temperature, max tokens, and model selection to tailor responses to your needs in a reproducible workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.